Okay, today's topic is PHC. It means Primary Healthcare Centers. It comes under the Community Health Nursing 1 and 2 also. Now we'll see about the PHC. What is PHC? How it's work, how it's function, what is the character, what are the main powers in PHC, and why it's needed. PHC, Primary Healthcare Centers or care in India. Primary healthcare centers are the constituents of the rural health services of first part of the qualified doctors, public centers, rural area for the sick, and whose do directly report to refers from subcenter for curative, preventive, and promotive healthcare. It means PHC provides the three types of the care. Curatives means cure of the disease, preventive with the before the occurrence of the disease, and promotive who has having already sign and symptoms that will be promote their life. It means progression in their life. Also, PHC provides the care who has transferred from the sub-centers and referred from the sub-centers. Now, let's say about the principles. First one is equitable distributions. It means the all care should be done by the only health sectors members, and it should be equitable distributions to the all the community members who are needed, who are don't needed, that all the discriminations people should be take this PHC care. Second one is community participation. It's also based on the community participation. It also based on the intersections with the community. It means by the reference of the community, it also modified or multiplied by the community participations, like awareness of that community. Third one is the intersectoral coordination. Intersectoral coordination, it means coordination between the other sectors. Coordination between the other sectors, it means coordination between the sub-centers, between the multi-speciality hospital, between the clinics, between the sub-centers. All these coordinations will helpful in this PHC. Appropriate technology. It means what the technology we are using in PHC, like equipments, working skills, what it should be an appropriate technology. It should be in working conditions. Fifth one is preventive in nature. Preventive nature means it should be prevent further occurrence of the disease. We focus on the further occurrence of the disease. Also before occurrence of the disease. Sixth one is a manpower development. Manpower development, it means the development of the whole community which we are going to build up this PHC. It means the community development in the socializations of general peoples. Now we will see about some introductions of the PHC. A typical primary healthcare covers populations of the 20,000 in hilly area or the difficult areas and the 30,000 population in the plain areas with 4 to 6 indoor observations bed. It means previously provide the we can build up PHC around 20,000 to 30,000 populations which provided 4 to 6 indoor patients beds. It means we can add the 4 to 6 observations bed. Also 6 sub-centers, and this CHC covers the 30 bedded, from which CHC from PHC to CHC patient can be transferred from who are suffering with a higher disease, and for the sub-centers PHC can be referred. In order to improve optimal level of the health, PHC to be called with the Indian Public Health Standards for the PHC. PHC follows the Indian Health Public Standards norms and opportunity from given the National Rural Health Missions. Now function of the PHC. What they are providing services, what assurance they are providing. Assure services cover the essential element of the preventive, promotive, curative, and rehabilitative primary health care. It means prevention before the occurrence of the disease, promotions after showing signs and symptoms, curative after occurrence of the disease, and rehabilitative who are severely damaged or who are severely emergency care. First one, medical care. In that, OPD service is 4 hours morning and 2 hours evening. 24-hour emergency services. Third one is a referral services by the sub-centers or referral services to the CHC, and inpatient services. It means for the admissions of the patient up to 6 beds. Second one is a maternal and child-led services and family planning. In that, in antenatal care, intranatal care, postnatal care, newborn care, care of the child, and family planning. Antenatal care, it means early diagnosis of the antenatal mother, their registration, their high-risk pregnancy registrations, if the nutrition registrations, their counseling for the antenatal care, their primary care, their urine test, their blood test, their sexually any disease test, or any endemic test. In intranatal care, they are providing 24-hour delivery services for the normal assisted delivery. And then postnatal care, they are providing the minimum 2 postpartum visits after birth of the baby and also guidance of the breastfeeding. Then hygienic conditions and also contraceptive pills or contraceptives methods. In newborn care, they provide the warmth to the baby, their weight and height they measure. They also provide the nutrition to the baby, and they also learn the breastfeeding techniques to mother. Care of the child, it means pediatric child. Their immunization should be considerations of the care of the child. Then family planning, it means for overpopulations, growth should be deducted. Third one is a medical termination of pregnancy. It means they provide the vacuum aspirations of the MTP who having the high risk pregnancy. Then fourth one is a reproductive care infection related to changes and the reproductive care infections guidance PHC provide. Fifth one is a nutrition services. Sixth one is a school health programs. Seventh one is a adolescent care program related to puberty age changes, adolescent age changes, promotion of self-drinking waters and basic sanitation related changes, or any sanitations related report. PSC should be covered. Prevention of control of local endemic diseases like Kala Hazar, malaria, Japanese influenza. It's also covered by the PHC functions. Disease and surveillance of the control of epidemics. It means disease, which diseases are occurring in the which month and with the which seasons that could be reported by the PSC. Collection reporting of the vital events. It means vital statuses like you may know about the birth rate, you may know about the death rate, new birth rate, and the pediatric child rate, and the mother pregnancy rate. Education about the health and behavioral change in communications. It means education about the health, their how they can improve their health, how can they improve their health, and about the health definition. It means the socially, mentally, and physically or spiritually stable. National Health Program including reproductive and child health program RCH for the mainly reproductive age girls, and for the HIV and AIDS control program and non-communicable disease control program, also covered by the PSC. Then referral services by the CHC and by the sub-centers. Mostly sub-centers refers to the PSC and PSC refers to the CHC. 15 is a training of the ASA worker, ANM worker, and the LHV workers, because that only the providers to the community. That's why ASA workers, ANM workers, and LHV workers training is necessary, which is provided by this PHC. Basic laboratory services. It means laboratory services like HB test, like glucose test, height and weight. That all the basic laboratory services should be covered by this PHC. Monitoring and supervisions of the all the data which we have seen before. Then IUS services, maintaining stream sum of the IUS. It means the function of the IUS where he is going to done or not, that will be covered by this PSC. Then rehabilitations and selected surgical procedure. Rehabilitative care, it means who are severely ill and whose lifestyle is going to be deducted. That's when we are providing some vocational activities to that patients that he can expand their life. And then select the surgical procedures like minor procedures with ENT related, suture related, or dressing related procedures. Now we will see about the manpower in PSC, how many members are included in PSC, what needed. First one is medical officer, extension officer 1 and recommended 2, pharmacist 1 recommended 1, nurses midwifery 1 and 3. It means each duty there is a 1 staff nurse. Health worker 1 and recommended only 1. Health educator or health educator 1 and recommended also 1. Health assistants 2 exists and 2 recommended. Class 2. Laboratory technicians 1, driver 1 and class 4 it means ke housekeeping staff 4 members for cleaning of the PSC and maintaining hygiene. Thank you everyone.